Hi, my name is Nef, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can change the speaker on this Bluetooth speaker. So the first thing I'm going to be showing you is a preview that the speaker works like this. So now that you know the speaker works, I'm going to be giving you the tools or the equipment you need to perform this project. So the first, you want to have a Bluetooth speaker or any speaker. Second, you want to have a speaker to change out. Third, what you need is a screwdriver. And fourth, you want a soldering iron. So now that you know the equipment you need, is first get your screwdriver and take out all the screws you'll have. Like this. You want to take out all the screws you have. Once you took them out, is you want to open the speaker like so. In here, you see a bunch of wires. The one you want to touch is this side. Don't touch this side because that will not work. Now, what you want to do is grab your soldering iron like so and disconnect the wires. Now that you unsoldered the cables like this, is you can now connect these black and red wires to the speaker like so. You want to turn on the speaker to make sure the audio works when you're connecting it. Like so. I'm going to connect the wires. Doesn't matter where you connect them because they'll still play. Here, what you can do is either solder the wires or twist them or just tape them. But for me, I'm not gonna solder them or tape them. So now that you know that the speaker works, I'm done with the video. So please like and subscribe for more videos like these ones. Thank you and goodbye.